Hello my people, welcome to the channel. Today I'll be sharing with you one of my favorite recipes that I created, and these are the ingredients that we'll be working with today. 2 bunches of red kale, black beans, shiitake mushroom, 1 tomato, a bunch of radishes, and my favorite spices, cumin and coriander, the ground ones. Also be sure to stay tuned later, because in the end of this video, I'll be sharing with you the food that I ate for this Thanksgiving. So make sure you stay tuned till the end. Go ahead and wash the radish leaves thoroughly because they're extra organic. And I like to cut up mine very chunky so that I'm able to enjoy the crunch that comes from the greens. This is my first time working with radish leaves and they are quite delicious. So next time you buy organic radish, eat the entire thing. Also go ahead and chop up the rest of your vegetables. I like to chop up mine so that they are chunky. And yeah, for this recipe, I did not use the entire kale or the 2 branch. I just used 1.5, and that's what it looks like. So to get started on medium heat, go ahead, add in 1.5 tablespoon of avocado oil, 1 teaspoon of onion flakes. It is Thanksgiving weekend, so I didn't want to use the fresh onion, and I was also being lazy because I didn't want to go to the store. That's why. Add in the kale first. The order of things here is very important because the kale is tougher than the radish leaves. So we want this to cook down for 2 minutes. Once it is sauteed up, add in the radish leaves, and still on medium heat, go ahead, add in your pepper and salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper and salt to season things, and saute this up until it is, all wilted down, and transfer it to a different bowl once you're satisfied with the taste. I prefer to taste things as I cook along to make sure everything is nice and good. So to the next step, add in 2 tablespoons of avocado oil, 1 teaspoon of onion flakes, add in your 2 cloves of garlic, saute it on medium heat again, add in the rest of the vegetables, tomato and the radish. Once those are done for about 1 minute, add in the shiitake mushrooms and saute it for 2 minutes on medium heat. It is Thanksgiving and I love the smell of all of these combined. Here, I'm using organic black beans. As you see from the ingredients, there is no preservatives. I'm grateful for that. So I added in the entire thing into the pot. Now to our spices, add in your ground pepper, 1/4 teaspoon as well, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And as I mentioned, I love cumin and coriander, so I'm adding 1.5 teaspoon. I love these spices, guys. And I'm happy to say I used all of my mother-in-law's spices and she did not mind, so I'm grateful for that. Cover your pot and let it cook for 3 minutes on medium heat. After 3 minutes this is what it should look like. The water should cook down into a nice paste, and this is delicious. I love this meal. You will learn my taste is a little bit of sweet and salty and crunchy, and that's exactly what this meal does for me. To the side there, I have nettle tea with some soy milk and of course with syrup. This is one of my favorite brekkie stuff to have, and these are other meals that I created similar to it. Kale and pumpkin, red kidney beans and tomato, and black-eyed peas. Now, here is the bonus video that I promised you. This recipe was inspired by the avant-garde vegan. This is my 2nd time creating this deliciousness. What you're seeing here is a beautiful deliciousness that I'm so grateful for all the labor of love that goes into it. And this is what the seitan roast looked like. Here in the picture, this is what the seitan roast looked like. Share with me what your Thanksgiving food that you ate was. If you're a vegan or plant-based person, I would really like to know. And thank you for sticking with the end of this video. I am new to this voiceover tutorial, so let me know your comments and thoughts below. Thank you very much for watching. Have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.